Hi, I see you're picking up your medication today. Before you go, I wanted to ask if you've ever received the hepatitis B vaccine.
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
That's okay. Many adults aren't sure. Hepatitis B is a virus that affects the liver, and over time, it can increase the risk of liver cancer. The good news is that there's a vaccine that can protect you.
Cancer? I thought most cancers can usually be treated these days.
Some cancers can be treated well, but liver cancer can be very serious. That's why doctors try to prevent it before it starts. The hepatitis B vaccine helps protect your liver from the virus that can lead to that cancer.
I see. I've lived in the United States for about 10 years now, but back home, we didn't talk much about this vaccine.
That's very common. In many countries, people didn't routinely get this vaccine in the past, so adults often miss it. That's why we try to talk about it now.
My English is not perfect, so sometimes I worry I misunderstand medical things.
Thank you for telling me that. I'll keep things simple, and if anything isn't clear, please let me know. We can also provide written information if that helps. Some people also feel worried about testing or finding out bad results. Have you ever felt that way?
Sometimes I think if I don't know, maybe I won't worry.
That feeling is very normal. But knowing early gives you more control. If someone has hepatitis B, doctors can monitor and treat it early to protect the liver.
I would feel embarrassed if I had hepatitis B. People might think bad things.
I understand that concern. But hepatitis B is a medical condition, like many others. People can get it in different ways, and healthcare providers treat it with privacy and respect. There's no judgment here.
I usually look things up on the internet before making decisions.
That's a good idea. Just make sure the information comes from trusted sources like hospitals, health departments, or your doctor. If you find something confusing, you can always ask me or your physician.
I do have a regular doctor that I see.
That's great. Your doctor can also help with screening tests. Many insurance plans cover hepatitis B screening and vaccination.
My insurance usually covers vaccines, but sometimes making appointments takes a long time.
That can happen, especially at busy clinics. One convenient option is that you can receive the hepatitis B vaccine here at the pharmacy, which can save you time.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. It's quick and usually only takes a few minutes. It's given as a series of shots over time to build strong protection.
Transportation to the doctor's office can sometimes be difficult for me too.
That's another reason many patients prefer pharmacies. We're often closer and easier to access. You can even walk in without a long wait in many cases.
That sounds easier than waiting weeks for an appointment with the doctor.
Exactly. And since preventing cancer is very important, this vaccine is one simple step you can take to protect your health.
I like the idea of preventing problems rather than treating them later.
That's a great mindset. Taking this step shows you're doing something proactive for your health.
If I wanted to get the vaccine, could I start today?
Yes, we can start the first dose today if you'd like. I can also explain the schedule for the next doses so it's easy to follow.
Okay, I think I'd like to do that.
Wonderful. I'll get everything ready and we'll take care of it right here.